Okay, so now that we've got that code uploaded to the Arduino, we need to set up our serial proxy, which runs to connect, which serves as the software connection between Flash and the Arduino. So looking in the folders, I'm going to go through on the Mac side. It's almost exactly the same as the PC though. So I'm actually going to use a simpler version than the one we looked at on Saturday, just because it's a lot easier to set up and you're a lot less likely to get the settings wrong. So to do that, if you just go into the Mac and just double click it, you will get this window that says Tinker Proxy, and it wants to know these different things. So it wants to know the network port, the serial port, the speed, and then it just gives you the information back. The two important things are the network port number. As I mentioned, all of these examples work off port number 9001, so you have to put that in. The serial port, here it kind of gives me all the choices of all the serial ports available. This is the one you can know on the Mac side because it'll be called USB serial. If you want to double check it, you can open Arduino, go to Tools, Serial Port, and you can see it's called this USB serial A6008BAT. And this is the same one here. The other important part is to make sure we have a corresponding speed as we did with the Arduino setup, and all of these run off of 9600. So every time you open this, with these examples, you want to make sure that you've got 9001 as the network number and 9600 as the speed. So once you have that, you can hit Start, and if it works well, it'll say listening on port 9001, open, COM port, USB serial, all these sort of things. Once you've done that, you don't have to do anything else with it. You just leave it on in the background, and it does the connecting for you. So with that, next one I'll show you is the first example in Flash.